In today's video, I am going to teach you how to access Google Analytics demo account. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google Analytics Home. If you are not already signed in to your Google account, sign in first. This matters because the demo account is added to the Google account you are currently using, and you need to be in the right account before you continue. Once you are on the Analytics home screen, you are going to open the official Google Help page for the demo. On that page, look for the option that says, Try the Analytics demo account, and select it. This help page is useful because it gives you the correct, safe link to the demo experience and avoids confusion if you are new to analytics or have multiple properties in your account. After you click Try the Analytics demo account, you will see a button or link labeled Access the account. Go ahead and click Access the account. This is the step that actually grants your Google account permission to view Google-provided sample data inside Google Analytics, so you can explore reports without needing to connect your own website or app. Next, you will be asked to choose which demo property you want to open. You will see Google Analytics property, Google Merchandise Store Web Data. Select this option if you want a classic example focused on website activity, like traffic sources, pages, and e-commerce behavior. This property is great for practicing common web reporting and understanding how users move through a site. You will also see Google Analytics property, Flood It, App and Web Data. Click this option if you want to explore a mix of app and web tracking data. This one is helpful when you want to learn more about events, engagement, and cross-platform measurement in GA4. After you select a property, Google Analytics will load the demo reports. At this point, click the highlighted area on screen to enter and begin exploring the reporting workspace. Take a moment to confirm you are viewing the demo property name near the top, so you know you are not looking at your own data. And that is all there is to it.